Have you ever noticed something? The most powerful people rarely reveal everything about themselves. They don't overshare. They don't explain too much. And they definitely don't let everyone know what they're thinking. Yet somehow, they always stay in control. Why? Because power grows in silence. And the moment you reveal too much, you lose it. In this video, you will discover the exact things powerful people never reveal. And once you understand this, you will never look at communication the same way again. Watch carefully, because this can completely change how people see you. Number 1, they never reveal their next move. Weak people announce everything: their plans, their goals, their next steps. But powerful people move in silence. Because the moment you tell everyone your plans, you open the door for doubt, jealousy, and interference. Instead, they act first and let results speak later. Number 2, they never reveal their weaknesses. Everyone has weaknesses, but not everyone needs to know them. Powerful people understand. The wrong person can use your weakness against you. So they stay calm, composed, and emotionally controlled. They work on their weaknesses in private, not in public. Number 3, they never reveal everything they know. Knowledge is power. But if you show all your knowledge at once, you lose your advantage. Powerful people listen more than they speak. They observe, they understand, and they reveal only what is necessary. This makes them unpredictable, and that creates respect. Number 4, they never reveal their true emotions easily. Most people react instantly: anger, jealousy, excitement. But powerful people stay neutral, because emotions can be used to control you. If someone knows what triggers you, they can manipulate you. That is why they stay calm, no matter what happens. Number 5, they never reveal all their problems. Weak people complain. They share every struggle. But powerful people handle problems silently. They understand not everyone wants to see you succeed. So instead of talking about problems, they focus on solving them. Number 6, they never reveal their full potential. They always keep something hidden. Because when people underestimate you, you gain the upper hand. Powerful people don't show everything at once. They grow quietly and surprise everyone later. Number 7, they never reveal their intentions immediately. Most people are easy to read, but powerful people are not. They don't rush. They don't expose their strategy. They wait, they watch, and then they act at the perfect time. Number 8, they never reveal everything about their personal life. Privacy is power. The more people know about you, the more control they have. That is why powerful people keep their circles small and their life private. Final message. The truth is simple. You don't need to tell everyone everything. You don't need to explain your life. And you definitely don't need to prove your power with words. Real power is silent, controlled, and strategic. So from today, speak less, observe more, and reveal only what is necessary. Because the less you reveal, the more powerful you become. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to Mr. SS Wisdom and turn on notifications. Because here, we build minds that cannot be controlled and personalities that cannot be ignored. Comment below, I stay silent. I'll see you in the next powerful video.